Welcome back. Here's my hair, you guys. I did a color remover recently after coloring my hair black. And this is where we're at. So today I'm going to be adding color back into my hair because obviously I can't just leave it like this. It looks like fucking shit. So I'm going to be using Joico Color Intensity. This is Hot Kiss. So this should turn out to be kind of like a dark pink color, I believe. I'm hoping. And I want to be honest with you guys. I'm so freaking sick and tired of coloring my hair. Like, I feel like this quarantine has turned into a disaster. I have colored my hair so much lately, and yeah. Oh, this says no developer required. That is so weird. I've never used this before. It's semi-permanent, but no developer required. Shoot! I hope I have enough for my whole head. Usually when you add developer, it obviously like doubles the amount of hair color. So since this says no developer required, whatever, it better be enough for my whole head. Here it is. Oh, there's actually quite a bit in here. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna need the whole thing, I think. Squirt her in, and I'm just gonna go to town. This is probably gonna wash out really quickly. I'm gonna try my hardest to wash my hair like as little as possible, because I'm honestly so tired, you guys, of doing my hair. Like, I freaking had to dye it red constantly, and then I decided to go to black. I hated black, so then I added some streaks to the front. It's honestly just a disaster. My hair's pretty much gonna turn out like it used to look. So I went through all this for nothing, just to get the hair back that I originally had. Whatever, you guys, you live and you learn. My hands are gonna turn extremely red right now. That's okay, whatever. Once again, I'm doing this as fast as possible. Normally I would section it and do it the right way. I'm not doing that right now. And I honestly figure, I can't even talk. I'm honestly afraid I'm not gonna have enough for my whole head, so I really need to use this sparingly. Oh, shoot, you guys. I should have read the instructions better when I called the beauty supply store to get this. Whatever, that's fine. I'm just gonna blob this in my hair real quick. I have no gloves right now. I probably should have ordered some when I called the place, but that's okay. How do you guys feel about your hair right now during quarantine? Are you all like struggling like I am? Because this sucks. Oh, my phone's gonna die. Whatever. I'm literally just gonna blob this in, you guys, and we will see what happens. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Here it is. This might end up turning out really bad. I don't think I had enough to quite saturate all of my hair. You can tell some of it's still kind of dry. As long as I got like the main top part, I feel like that's the most important thing. I definitely would have bought 2 of those if I would have known that no developer was needed, because obviously when you add developer, it makes more hair dye. When you don't add developer, it's not a lot of hair dye. So we'll see what happens. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Wish me luck. Okay, you guys, here's the final result. I wanted to show you guys out in the sunlight what it looks like. So it kind of still has that orange tint to it. It turned out kind of light. I actually really like the color. It didn't really turn out like a pink color at all. It's more of like a reddy orange typed color. But anyways, this is the final result. Tell me, guys. I can't even freaking talk, you guys. What the fuck? Tell me what you think down below. If you like it, don't like it, think I should do something else with it. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.